Alright everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. And today's video I'll be doing an analysis on crash 600 index. Not really an analysis, but the trade setup that I caught and explaining how I caught the trade. You already see the snapshot of the profit, right? I'm going to post it somewhere in the video. You're going to see it, right? And yeah, let's go right straight into the video. Alright, on this video we can see that crash 600 is in a channel: first touch, second touch, first touch, second touch, and the third touch, right? And what did we have after the third touch? We saw that price broke down and then price broke down. So that price broke down here, and then what did we see? We saw a retest and then it started forming another channel, right? That's on the 4 hour. So let's go on the 1 hour time frame. Let me explain what I saw. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, I began to see something interesting again. Something really interesting. Another channel being formed, right? First, second, third, fourth. In fact, how many touches here? And then price also was forming another channel here. Remember, for every retest we see, every breakout out of this, we're expecting that the market is going to, ultimately retest it and then keep going to the downside. Of course, you had the first breakout here and then market retested and was proposing to go to the downside. However, it began to form a channel, right? It began to form a channel, and if a channel is being formed, we expect a breakout either to the upside or where to the downside. Every time if we see a channel being formed, expect a breakout either to the upside or downside. And we are not sentimental. Anywhere it follows, that's where we go with it, right? So I saw this on the 1 hour time frame, and then looking at this on the 1 hour time frame, I knew that if price should break, I didn't get to see the market from here, right? So let's be very, very realistic. I didn't get to see the market from this zone. I met the market where it was almost around here. So I expected that once, and it was also forming a trend line. Is it on 15 minutes? I can see that very well. I know I entered this market from 5 minutes. So on a trend line, right, it was beginning to form a very good it was respecting the trend line. We have the first touch here, the second touch here, and ultimately this should be the third touch for the market to break to the upside and start selling to the downside again. Like, just touch the trend line, start selling. Instead, we saw a full break above, right, and the market retested. Remember, this is on crash, right? The market retested and we started pushing to the upside. So personally, I started buying from this zone here. Let me go to 5 minutes to explain what I saw, right? This was exactly what I saw on the 5 minutes. I knew that, okay, the idea behind this, okay, all right, the idea behind this is such that we have the first touch, second touch, third touch. The market broke out of this without even selling off, right? Broke out and then retested. I entered somewhere around here, right? Entered probably here or here, somewhere around here, sure. And then price pushed to the upside, dropped again, pushed to the upside. This is not the regular volatility, 75, VIX, 50, and the rest. It has its own way of doing its magic, right? So this was my first entry here. I was scared, to be honest, right? But then the market did something very interesting. This was my early entry. The second entry that will have given me more confidence is this guy here, right? Market eventually broke out of this range, broke out of this place too, right? And the long run, sure. But in the short term, market broke out of this range, out of the channel. Sorry, I don't know why I keep saying it's a range. Out of this channel, market broke out of this channel clearly. And what happened? We saw a retest of the channel trend line. A retest of this channel trend line, right? That's what we are seeing. A retest of this channel trend line. So this is another entry that will have given me more confidence, but then I entered from here, so there's no point having any position here, right? Because this is already a secured place. So we'll have entered from here again and look for an engulfing candle. Probably somewhere around here. We'll have entered, and then your stop loss will have just been below here, although this is far from where I will have want to enter. Somewhere like this, I will have entered here, this third candle, right? 1 2 3, I would have entered here. And also after this major drop, this 1 2 3, I will have entered. 1 2 3, I will have entered, right? My stop loss will just be below all of this drama, below the trend line, right, for me to exit the market. And something interesting about crash and boom, they really respect stop loss, right? Because we are trading against the system, right? This one, it crashes, so we are buying. I don't know if you're trying to understand what I'm trying to say. So we are buying where the market is crashing, but nonetheless, technical analysis is technical, price action is price action. So these are zones I will have entered again under the entry. But personally, where did I enter from? I entered from somewhere around here, right? And I was good, and the market is still playing out. I'm going to attach my position to this video. You're going to see it, right? So this is some interesting things happening already in the market. Which other trade opportunity do we have currently? The market has been misbehaving across all the trade opportunity we had so far. Really, it has been misbehaving. VIX 150s is still playing around. I don't even know what it's doing again. For me personally, I'm just keep my hands off this market. I want to see something clear. Jump 50 is still misbehaving. Came somewhere close to this line. Want to buy from this retest of trend line. Remember, these are analysis. We want to buy from this retest, but it's not just working out. I don't know what's happening, so I might just have to just be patient and allow the market to do its thing, right? Although I'm seeing something very quite interesting here now. The market is giving us like a channel being formed around here. Okay, all right, first, and look at this. Look at these guys. See that? And that interesting thing is happening around here already. So we might see a sell-off. A sell-off like this. A sell-off that is going to break this channel, and we start buying to the upside. This is another possibility. I'm going to look at this market. I'm going to take it, right? This is a live trade call. I'm going to take it. I just want to see how this candle is going to form, right? I'm going to go to M5, look for break of structure to the downside. That's on the 5-minute time frame, and then join this market, because we have to see that buy. I want to buy from this trend line, right? I want to buy from this channel trend line. Yes, that is my concern. I want to buy from this place, ultimately taking it to the upside. So that's jump 50. On step 200, we had a lot of drama happening here. A lot of drama has been happening so far on jump. Of course, it has tested where we wanted to test, right? I was taking out some position. Forgotten when this, maybe it was yesterday, yeah. Trying to buy or sell off from some places, and it wasn't just working. All right, but it has finally done what I was expecting it to do. This was our analysis, guys. Remember, this was our analysis. Want to buy from this zone. Ultimately, we started buying already. I was kind of impatient with this. I wish I was a little bit patient. The market has tested this trend line itself, and we started pushing to the upside. So I would want to wait again. If markets come to this zone, I'll buy, provided the market is still valid for a buy. However, I'll just say this trade has gone. I've missed it because I was supposed to enter from here. I like entering from where the market moves, so that I can hold and swing all the way with peace of mind, right? Look at the way our crash 600 trade is going, very smooth. All right, that being said, the final trade for today that I'm looking at on the 4-hour time frame, look at it, right? Let me just remove this, guys. They've not been respected. Okay, the market has been in the trend, has been forming a trend line. We'll see 1 2 3 4. Will it break to the upside, or will it continue, right? And look at it clearly. This is something I'm looking at. I want to see how the market is going to form here. If it peradventure break to the upside in terms of 5-minute time frame, I'm seeing buy structure, I'll join them. However, for now, I'll just be watching the market do its thing. I'll have loved to buy from this second guy here, right? The third touch, sorry, not this is the second touch, the third touch, but then that's moved already and the market has given us fourth touch. This is like the fifth touch, so I don't know if this trend line is going to be respected. I'll be watching closely and also be watching closely from your own end, right? Step 400 index already happened. Price was in a channel and that channel has been respected, right? So we'll just be watching out for this market and seeing how they fall, right? But then what am I big on? I'm big on jump 50, and I'm also big on what's it called now, is it 50 volatility 51s. I'll be watching. If I see a break to the downside, a retest, I'm going to join them. That being said, thank you guys. It's a good place to tell us, please ensure you subscribe to the channel. Let's grow this community.